Has he ever tried contacting you after this whole venting? No, he hasn't. He can't because he's blocked. He cannot. He hasn't. But I'm not gonna say this, but his brothers, his family has threatened me. Yeah, he hasn't. Take him to maintenance court. I'll speak to my lawyer also about that. Actually, guys, I'm telling you, it seems like in a case. Someone says my ex-husband used to do exactly the same and is also Nigerian. Guys, buy again Avaban Basemandla. Hear from me. From me. Buy again. But well, and for I don't want you guys to say I am low-key being xenophobic, because I am not a xenophobic person. I cannot be xenophobic. Now I've got 3 little Nigerians in my house. I cannot be xenophobic. I've got 3 little Nigerians in my house, and there's nothing I can do about it. I cannot wipe their blood away. I cannot. I am not xenophobic. I cannot be xenophobic, but I am telling you, leave these people. Buy again. Bazopanda ababantu up. If you go to my Facebook, you'll see the latest post I did. February, I've had to settle a big debt that I've had to settle, and I've spoken about it in one of my posts up. I've had to settle a big debt of being hounded by agents when this guy decided to vacate the apartment that he was staying at. Because this whole time that we've been separated, he's been staying at his apartment, a PE. But the stupidity in me, I completely forgot about that apartment that he was staying at. When we were still trying to work on our marriage, I'm the one that co-leased it. I co-leased that apartment. So now, when he decided to vacate the apartment, he vacated the apartment without a notice. Wapuma guys, engafakangi notice. The agents were hounding me, telling me that I have to pay the penalties, I have to pay everything. I'm talking to you now about a big debt that I had to settle just last month. I don't know how I can advise women. I don't know how, if like me opening myself up.